Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to tell you about 3 fantastic plants for a west-facing windowsill. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west, giving you direct sunlight through your west-facing window in the afternoon and evening, and this suits a variety of plants. The jade plant or money plant is the ideal house plant for beginners as it needs very little care. It looks like a bonsai tree with jade green fleshy leaves and thick stems that become woody with age. Grow the jade plant in a west window and water thoroughly whenever the top inch or 2 of compost has become dry. Never allow your plant to sit in water. Feed with a half-strength liquid fertilizer once in spring, summer and autumn. Grow your jade plant in cactus compost and repot every 2 or 3 years in spring. My second plant is the ubiquitous Swiss cheese plant or Monstera deliciosa. Now this is a big plant that will need staking. It's grown for its wonderful foliage and the variegated forms are extremely popular. An unfussy plant that prefers to be kept on the dry side. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer monthly when in growth. The Swiss cheese plant can be grown in the same pot for many years and is satisfied with a variety of aspects, so it'll really appreciate your west-facing window. My final plant is the Airplant, and Airplants are a wonderful novelty that are grown without any medium. They can be placed on a west-facing windowsill or hung. Choose silver foliage plants as these are easier to care for than the green. Water about once a week by spraying or dipping the plant in water, and water less in winter, and don't submerge any flower spikes. Happy growing!